different. I wanted to walk through an unboxing of this product. Mealthy sent me this pressure cooker to try, and I've never tried a pressure cooker before, but we are getting a little bit more hands-on in the kitchen in our house lately, trying to make some more healthy meals at home instead of eating out, so this came at a perfect time for me to go ahead and try this out. So what we're going to do is we're going to open this up, walk through what's inside. I probably will have no idea what the stuff is, but I'm going to try it out later today, and then I'll post a link down below with to my blog where I'm going to write about what I made in this pressure cooker. So one thing that I noticed right off the bat on the outside of the box is this Mealthy MultiPot. So it's called a MultiPot, and it's a pressure cook, slow cooker, saute, simmer, bake, steam, all the touch of the button, which sounds pretty amazing that it does everything in here. There's also another cool thing. There's an app, which I've already downloaded on my phone and went through to look for some recipes. It's super helpful, and it doesn't just give you recipes for the MultiPot, but it gives you like tons of recipes just in general. Things like vegetarian, vegan, meat recipes, all kinds of things on that. So if you haven't downloaded the Mealthy app, it is free. Go ahead and do that right away. And then I'm going to pop this open and let's take a look at what's inside. We have a book with some recipes in it. So I got some more. And then there's a sheet in here that says cooking times. So cheat sheet for cooking times. You can make chicken breast in 8 minutes. A whole chicken, 6 minutes per pound. So that's pretty amazing. Next thing in here is this is an extra gasket. So it says that if you want to make cheesecake or things like garlic soup, you'd want to change out the gasket so that the flavors don't go from one to the next. Oh, that. Wow, this thing is big. Are you ready? Actually, it's a little heavy. It's not too heavy. I can lift it. And that's the last thing in there. So I'm going to move that down here. So, wow. It's kind of out of my element, but I can't wait to check this out. There's a bunch of buttons here. We got pressure cook, slow cook. This is actually kind of cool that it does a slow cook too, because then maybe I'll just be able to get rid of my slow cooker and only have one machine in my cupboards, which would be amazing because I do use my slow cooker quite a bit. So, but it is getting old. So let's see if that can get rid of the other thing. We've got poultry, meat, stew, beans, soup, broth, rice, multigrain, porridge. Ooh, porridge sounds good. Start, delay, pressure level, keep warm. Yogurt. Has anyone ever tried making yogurt? I might have to try that because we eat a lot of yogurt in our house. Cake. That was actually the first thing I was thinking about making in here is cake because yum. Eggs, steam, saute, slow cook, pressure cooker. So a lot of buttons and I'm super excited about it. So it says to turn to open. That's cool. Let's see what's inside. We have a cord. Obviously we need that. We've got some spoons, it looks like. I'll have to get into those later. Oh, and a measuring cup down here. There are 2 of these hand cover things. So like when you're making something in here, there's another pot here. And it might get a little hot. So you take these and you get lobster hands. That's actually really cute. Let's see what else is in here with my lobster hands. Whoa. Alright, so I'm going to put these down. That's a little difficult. Here is a saute basket. It's got the holes in the bottom. And it's just like a little tray. Let's open this up. A little tray to set the saute basket in or on top of that. One of those. So like that. And then I think it lifts it up. We'll figure this all out. Important notes, which I'll read. And then we have whoa, it's a big bowl. It's the max. Let's see, we've got more than 10 cups, 4 liters. And then another little message that we want to read. And this is what the inside looks like. Great. And then I just noticed on the back here there's a little plastic container. I'm guessing that's where the water drips into while it's steaming. So I cannot wait to get all this washed up, put together, read all of my instructions and all my important notes, and then I'm going to pop over and make something, and I'll have the link down below to my blog. You can see what I made. If you have any comments for me, be sure to leave them down below. Tell me what your favorite thing is to make in a multi-pot, and if you have this multi-pot, I'd love to hear about it. And then also be sure to hit the subscribe button and notifications, because we make videos like this and videos about travel all the time on our blog. So subscribe and we'll see you later. Bye!